Good morning, everyone. Today, we will be exploring one word processing application, the MS Word. Let's start by opening the MS Word application. Click a blank document. Now, you can see the workspace where you can type your document. Here is the workspace. At the top of the workspace, you can see the Quick Access toolbar. I have here the Save icon, the Open Folder icon, the Print Preview icon, and the New Blank Document icon. If you want to add additional icons in the Quick Access toolbar, you can click the drop-down menu and you can still add tools that you want to. You can also delete icons that you think you don't need. Just uncheck it. For instance, new icon, I'll remove it. I want to click it again, I'll just check it again. Under the Quick Access toolbar, you can see the ribbon. Just follow the arrow as I go around the ribbon. So here's the ribbon. Yan, here's the ribbon. That's the ribbon. Okay. Inside the ribbon are several tabs. There's the File tab, the Home tab, Insert tab, Draw, Design, Layout, References, Mailings, Review, View, and Help tab. The default tab is the Home tab. Under the tabs are group of commands. We have the clipboard group, the font group, the paragraph group, and so on. Inside the group are commands. Like in clipboard group, there's the paste and format painter command. Under the font group, there are other commands like font style, font size, bold, etc. Let's have one sample paragraph. Let's type equals rand. Okay, let's try one. Enter. Now we have our one paragraph. Let's try to do some commands. Let's try the font size, the font style, the bold, the italics, etc. So we will just click and select all or select this so that our modifications will apply. Just click the font size, the font style. For instance, you want to change the font style. Then we click the bold icon, we click the italic, and the underline command. We also have the subscript and the superscript. Okay, we also have to increase if you want to increase the size or decrease the size of your font. You can also do the lowercase, the uppercase, capitalize each word, and the toggle case, etc. You can always undo or redo your actions. Okay. Then we also have the Insert tab. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, so let's try the table. You can have, for instance, you want to have 5 columns and 8 rows. Ayan. 5 columns and 8 rows. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So we also have, you can also insert pictures, and then okay, you can insert picture, and then you can also insert shapes. The shape. You can also change the color of the of the shapes, etc. And then we also have, if you want to, okay, delete natin. So if you can also insert smart art, the chart, etc. And also add the text box, the header, the footer, the page number, etc. Okay, the draw, the design tab, the layout tab. In the layout tab, okay, so here's the margins. The normal or the standard is 1 inch, so 2.54 cm is equal to 1 inch. So 1 inch ang top, bottom, left, and right. Okay, you can also customize the margin. If we want a bigger space for your document, you can change this to 0.5 if you want, the top and the bottom, as well as the left and right. You can always change the margin. Okay, so yon. Okay, so for instance, you want to make it bigger. Yan. Okay, so you also have the orientation, the portrait, and the landscape. We also have the size, the letter, and then we have the A4. We also have the long band paper. The size of the long band paper is 8.5 by 13. Okay, we also have the columns. Okay. Then we also have the references if you want. This is usually used in your research paper, the table of contents. And then we have the footnote or insert footnote. So we also have the mailings for your envelopes. And then review. You can always check your spelling and grammar. And then etc. Spelling and grammar. You can also have the word count. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's undo. Let's undo. Undo. Pwede nating i-redo. So, for instance, i-delete na natin yan. And then, type ulit tayo ng 5 paragraphs. Yan. So, again, we select. And then, you don't need to select it. So, just try the spelling and grammar. Okay, 100% okay. And then, we have the word count. So, the words, there are 239 words in our paragraph. And we have 5 paragraphs and 17 lines. So, that's it. That's the use of the word count. We also have the view. We can view using the read mode. And if you want to go back again, the printout layout. Okay, then you can also use the ruler, the grid lines if you want. Or you want to, what else? Okay, so the one page, etc. Multiple pages of one page lang naman yan. Okay, so that's it. Okay, you can always review, view, etc. No more. Okay, so that's it. Just continue exploring the commands in the ribbon so that you can be familiar with their uses. You will surely learn more about this application as you keep on exploring them. Thank you for listening.